Hello everyone and Assalamu alaikum. Today I am so excited. My Nana is going to be visiting our garden after such a long time. Hello Nana. Nana, you're looking great. Your hair's looking really nice. What are you? It's going good, Nana.
You like it now?
Yes, I'm really enjoying it, Nana.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of friends.
You're getting on all right.
Yeah.
The garden looks lovely.
Jean, you're looking really good.
Thank you. And you, let me give you a hug. You handsome boy.
Yeah.
How are you doing at school?
Yeah, it's going really
You're
good.
nearly as tall as me.
Almost, nearly there.
What?
Have you seen the greenhouse? No. Come on, let's show you the greenhouse.
Yeah, let's show you the greenhouse, Nana. Growing a lot of plants for you. Tomatoes, quite a lot of plants for you, Nana.
Cucumbers.
That's what I miss now, is not being able to do my goal.
Yeah.
There you go.
But you had a good life and you have good people around you.
I
Jean
know
is
that.
taking care of
That
you.
doesn't always
Well.
make up for me.
Nana, look what we got for you. Nana, we have your favourites. Blackberries, strawberries and blueberries.
Yeah.
Here you go, Nana.
Now you can.
Is that, are these all from your garden?
Thank you.
Not yet.
No, not yet.
I was going to say, I don't know. Oh, thank you.
Guys, let's see what my mum's doing. A piece of salmon.
The salmon.
Wow, that salmon. Nana loves salmon. Asparagus and mushrooms. Asparagus.
I can't pronounce that.
Asparagus. I really like it. I love mushrooms.
Mushroom is my favorite.
When I was younger, I didn't really like mushrooms, but now I'm maturing, I'm starting to like it.
Yeah, mushroom is nice. Sweet. Now I can sit here. That looks delicious, doesn't it?
This looks so mouth-watering. I just want to dig in.
Absolutely beautiful. I hope she likes it. You want to call Nana?
Yeah, let's call Nana now. You can sit over there, Jean.
Thank you.
Lovely.
Sit here.
Thank you very much.
Chair for you a little bit.
That's lovely.
Ice, you like it?
Nana, what do you think of the meal? What do you think of it, Nana?
Very nice.
Lovely.
Did you do it?
Yes, me and my mum did it.
And I helped.
Yeah.
You like some drink, orange? Or
Yes,
water?
can I have an orange? I've left some glass out there.
It's alright.
It's fine. Dad, the orange juice is out here. The
Right.
mushrooms taste so delicious. Let me try some of the fish.
mushrooms.
Me too. The fish tastes really nice, Dad. Nana, do you like it?
That's good. Enjoy your meal. I'm going to join you now.
Wow, this apple pie looks so delicious. Look at that juicy piece.
Yeah, that looks nice.
Lovely. Thank you very much. Yeah.
One for you.
Thank you. Let me put that on there so it won't
And
fall
okay, you can have this one.
Thank you.
off. Oh, thank you.
Ali?
Come on, Lily. Lily. Going out.
Oh.
Jesus.
Well, thank you for coming.
Thank you for having me. It's lovely.
Nana, I hope you had a good time here.
Yes, very nice.
We enjoyed your company, Nana.
Yeah, and we'll see you again.
Yes.
And you too, Jean.
Oh, thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Come
It's
again
been so
sometime.
lovely. Thank you. Thank you so much
No
for
problem.
inviting us.
Take care.
Thank you for coming, team.
Thank you for
Absolutely.
inviting us.
A little bit more.
That's it. There you go.
Never thought.
That was really nice. I really enjoyed Nana's company. It's been a while since Nana visited us in our garden. Lately, Nana hasn't been able to walk properly, so we go and visit Nana in her house. If you guys enjoyed Nana's company, please make sure you smash that like button and make sure you share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know how you are finding our videos. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.